Everybody, I'm back, and my name is Isaac. Today I'm back. I want to introduce a special particular block machine, which is we call it egg layer. It's an egg layer, and also it's a mobile. It's a movable block machine. And now you see the blocks we just produced. They are fresh. They are fresh blocks. And some block makers ask me, is it possible for them to get a block machine without pellets? Because normally, you get a block machine is original or some common regular blocks machine. Normally, they will the required block mix have to use the pellets, right? And also the pellets investment money is too much. So some blocks makers ask me whether they have some other block machine doesn't need the pellets. So today I can give you the answer. Okay. And also some blocks makers ask me whether the block machine can be powered by the single phase. A single phase 220 voltage, because at the home area it's not easy for them to get the 3-phase 308 voltage. So they ask me whether it's possible for them to get a block machine is powered by single phase, which can powered by daily life electricity. Now just I keep your secret. After my video you will get the answer. Okay, so here is blocks. It just produced just now. It's fresh blocks. It's very beautiful. You see, the blocks is dropped down onto the ground directly without the pellets. Without pellets, 没有拖板哈。
Quickly.
Okay, now you see this block machine is what I talking about. This block machine. Now from the total view, you can see there's the controller box. There's a controller box. Is the power, is the total power, and this one switch on for the hydraulic pump, and this one is control the vibration, and this one is control the mode, the upper mode go and back, go front and back. And now what you see, this motor will give the power to the hydraulic pump. Will give the power to the hydraulic pump. So the hydraulic pump will supply the power inside the hydraulic pump, the hydraulic pipes. And this one is handle. There's only one handle here to control how to see, the control the motor box to off and go up and fall down. And this one motor is the driving motor. It's driving motor. It will be driving the machine go front or go back. And normally you can use, if you want to get a corner, if you want to get a tone, you will release this screw and move here. So the block machine will get a tone. Even you would like to get a U-turn, it's possible for you to get it, right? Locate it. And here there are two hydraulic pumps beside the machine, which is for lifting up the motor box. This motor box, after forming the blocks, you would like to lift up the motor box. This pump, this hydraulic pump, right? And onto the machine, inside this how to say, the box, the kind inside, there's a big spring which has a lot of the power, and the spring the spring tension forcement to compress the blocks with this one. And some blocks makers ask me where's the tank for the hydraulic oil inside. It's here. And this one, if you want to feed it hydraulic oil, you will feed from here. for you to feed in the hydraulic oil. Okay, and this motor is for supply the power to push and pull the head mode, go front or go back. This motor. Okay. So, buddies, after my introduction, so I think now you are a little clear about this block machine. And the advantage of this block machine is the first one is it's powered by hydraulic, right? It's powered by hydraulic compressor. And second one is this machine doesn't need any pellets, which can help you to save a lot of money for investor the pellets. Even in the fiber pellets or bamboo pellets or wood pellets, it cost you too much money. But for this block machine, you don't need to buy the pellets, right? So I think it's a very good machine. And also, after you see my video, you can see the compression and the vibration force of this block machine is very good. It's very nice. So I think it's a very good choice for you to choose this block machine. And some block makers ask me whether this block machine can produce hollow blocks, and by changing different modes it can get the pivots. Normally for me I don't suggest you to produce the pivots with this machine, because you know why? Because the hydraulic the vibration motor is not easy to fix onto the mold box size. Because if you produce the pivot mode, normally the pivot mode height is very small, so there's not too much space for the vibration motor to be fixed onto the mold box, right? So I think maybe if you want to see it's the disadvantage, yeah, you're right. It's a good machine for produce hollow blocks. Okay. So if you like my video, please be sure to subscribe my channel. And next time, maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow, I will update a new video to produce another size of blocks with this machine. Okay. Thank you, buddies. machine is like egg layer. It's like it looks like egg layer. So just like egg layer, and the blocks was dropped down onto the ground directly. So now you see the blocks, the hollow blocks, beautiful. And also like what you see just now, the blocks is it's very easy to be operated.